Victorian Toys. Life was tough for many people, especially the working class, during the Industrial Revolution. Many had moved from the countryside where children had a lot of space and freedom. Now they lived in industrial towns and cities where even children worked long hours in factories or down mines.
I think I'm having a heart attack here.
Victorians are famous for their strict attitude towards children.
Why, I oughta.
They believe that children should be seen and not heard.
Really?
Nevertheless, most adults like to see children playing games and having fun. It reminded them of the good old days.
Well, you don't see that every day.
Even children from poor families would have had at least one toy to play with.
Look, Mom, no hands.
Poor children's toys were usually handmade by their parents or grandparents.
Hey.
Or hand-me-downs from their older siblings. They played with dolls made of clothes pegs.
Sick a leg.
Made footballs out of old rags or pig's bladders. And used washing lines as skipping ropes. Richer children usually had a nursery or playroom. Wealthy parents bought expensive toys for their children, such as china dolls and real marbles. But even the richest children didn't have as many toys as you might think.